in the kitchen. One spilled the flour, oh what fun! Mama Monkey shakes her head, clean it up, she said. Four little monkeys crack an egg. Splash, the yolk slides down their leg. Mama Monkey waves her spoon, makes it right, she croons. Three little monkeys pour the milk. Oops, it spills, so smooth like silk. Mama Monkey laughs out loud, now it's way too soupy. Two little monkeys push the pan into the oven, yes they can. Mama Monkey sets the timer, wait, or it'll burn. One little monkey licks the spoon. The cake is done, let's eat soon. Mama Monkey cuts a slice, yummy, that was nice.